Do you want to increase your sales? Do you want to become a better salesperson? Do you not think you're a salesperson? Well, if you're watching this and you own a lawn care business, a landscaping business, you're a mom or you're a dad, or anyone else, you're in a sales business. Whether you're selling to your kid on this is the right thing to do, whether you're selling to your wife on this is where I want to go to dinner, whether you're selling to a woman you've just met that you want to become the person that is always yours on why she should be with you, it's all sales. Everyone just thinks it's business. So this encompasses a large part of your life. So why not be the best you can be at it? Every little portion of life is a sale. And you don't need to look at sales negatively. I mean, sales are an exchange of value, and when both values are perceived a fair trade, a sale can happen. Both parties should be better thereafter, and there's nothing dirty about doing sales. So this is about how to increase your sales. First, I want to say invest in sales material. Don't just learn it all yourself by beating your head against a wall and getting better and better over time. I mean, you're going to do that anyway, but invest in sales material. Go to sales seminars. Try to learn faster, absorb more, because it's going to cut down on that time of pain that is involved in getting better at this. And that's how it is with anything in business. A great one I just watched was Joel Kowski. I believe that's the right last name or how you pronounce it. So if you see this, Joel, I'm sorry if I butchered it. If you guys would like a link, I'll try to put a link down in the bottom. It was a 2 hour and 30-minute video on sales that he had done. He's a company in Champaign, Illinois. And it was, I think, $199, 2 hours, 190 or 100 hour and a half of well thought out material on how to improve your landscaping sales process. That's worth it. Guys, you need to get on board with this investing in yourself and spending some money to become better, because you all the money you invest in yourself, I mean, you can't lose that. That investment, it's here. It's good. It's gone. You know, it's good for me. It's going to keep producing. It's going to continue to do more. It's never a bad investment to invest in yourself. So invest in sales information, things to make you better is my very first point here. And I think it's a huge point that we really need to stop looking at stuff and be like, oh my God, it's so expensive. How can I afford it? How can you afford not to invest in yourself? You'll be having that mentality for the rest of your life if you don't. Second, be creative. After you've started to look into, you've started getting more comfortable with customers, start being creative with some of the questions you ask them. Start testing some of the different things you can ask them and see what kind of fact-finding it allows, what kind of triggers it makes, what you can see and sense and feel from the customer as you're trying to guide them along this journey of a sale to hopefully a great service from your company. And there's always something you can tweak and test. So don't necessarily follow everything to the T. Get some of that great information we talked about in the first step and be creative with it. Use it, flow with it, change with it, adapt to situations. And you're just going to continue to get better and better at talking to people and adapting and asking the right questions no matter what situation it is in. The being able to speak to someone and continue on and have answers for the problems, or know that if you don't have the answer, hey, I will find this out for you and I'll get that right back to you, sir. I really want to make sure that this service is the highest value, that you can get the best quality service. I mean, being able to tell people things about your business, what you expect out of your business to produce for them, and being able to be completely sold on your product, so you can do that with, I mean, compassion and emphasis, you know, is huge. So the third most important thing, clean up your act. Clean up what you wear, clean up how you look. Don't go in covered in sweat. I mean, I understand there's a point where you've got to just do it all the time, but do your best to always look the best. I mean, seriously, do your best. Be different than everybody else. This is, as I watched Joel's thing this past weekend, and I never really would have thought of this. I thought a polo and jeans I was doing fine, I was doing well, but this is the new, you know, button up and dress pants. Nobody else does it. Somebody else in my area might watch this video and they might start doing it too, and that's great. Do it. Be different. Don't be like every other lawn care guy. Don't be like every other landscape guy. Trying to win on just having the best service. It's pretty hard. It's what everybody's trying to win on. So be different, offer more value, do interesting things to promote your company, and clean it up, guys. And just continue to learn and sell, increase the value of others' lives, increase the value of your own family's life. And that's what continuing to get better at selling is going to do for you. Have a good one. See ya.